Hey guys, in today's video, I just wanted to take some time to answer the question, what programming language should I learn first in 2022? Hi guys, my name is Lillian. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate you. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you've been here before, thank you so much for sticking with me. I really do appreciate you. And my aim on this channel is just to help you simplify the journey, your journey into tech, and get you closer to your goal of getting your first job in tech as quickly as possible. I've been so busy with work, I haven't had time to film, but I've gotten this question a lot in my inbox. So I thought, why not just take a few minutes today and make this video just to kind of help anyone out there who is asking the question, what programming language should I learn first? There is so much out there and I'm not sure where to start. So I'm hoping that by the end of this video, I would have answered your question of what programming language you need to learn first to get you closer to your goal of getting your first job in tech. Before we get started, I just want to say that please, this video is not an attempt to compare which programming language is the best. Rather, this video is just me telling you what I think is the best programming language to get started with, to get you closer to getting your first job as quickly as possible. And I'll give you the reason why I've made this choice. So if you're ready, let's get started. So the first thing I want you to know is that the journey of switching into tech can be very, very hard. I don't want to sugarcoat anything. It's just like learning any other skill. It can be quite challenging. You do not want to waste all your time, because when it's taking you such a long time to make progress, you begin to feel like, am I in the right place? Is this really for me? And I also want to say that your choice of programming language to learn first can go a long way to determine how you perceive working in tech or programming generally. So if you pick a hard language to start with no previous experience, no university degree in computer science, it's going to be a little bit difficult for you to grasp the language and be competent enough to then apply for jobs in that area. If you pick a simpler language to learn, it kind of makes your journey much shorter, which is why I'm here today telling you how important it is and what you can do. So one of the factors to consider before making a choice of a programming language to learn first is, I want you to consider the job market. So the job market in your country, in your area, are there entry-level positions that you could possibly apply to if you learn the language? So you can easily find this information by searching LinkedIn or other for people in the UK like Glassdoor or any other job listing website wherever you are, to find out if there are entry-level positions for that programming language or that skill. The second one you need to consider is the long-term prospects in the next 10, 20, 30 years. How relevant is the programming language going to be? You need to find out, you can find this out from previous surveys conducted by Stack Overflow or most other big tech out there. Another factor you need to consider is projects. How feasible, how easy is it for you to build projects that can easily be shared with your friends, your family, recruiters, projects that you can easily just replicate as well. So drawing from my personal experience, I remember learning HTML, CSS, and then JavaScript, and then a few JavaScript framework, right, like React and Angular. And I built some projects that I put on my GitHub repo and on my CV. And then later on, I built my personal portfolio and I put some of the projects in my personal portfolio. So today, I just want to say that for me, after considering some of these factors, for me, the easiest programming language to get started with that could get you closer to your first job in tech is JavaScript. Why have I made this choice? Because JavaScript is a powerful programming language you can use for both the front end and the back end development. Also, JavaScript is easy to get started with. You just install an IDE, maybe Atom, VS Code, or Sublime, or you can learn JavaScript on the browser if you have Google Chrome, if you have Opera, or if you have Firefox. You can learn JavaScript on the browser. There are also tons of projects out there you can do with JavaScript. You can build a mobile app, a web application, or you can also go into game development. All in all, you should be able to have like a very beautiful example of your work you can show to your friends, your family, or recruiters. I strongly believe that JavaScript entry-level opportunities are out there if you're interested, and the community is quite large and welcoming, and this could be a great start to your journey into tech. So guys, I just thought to stop by to like answer this question. Maybe it might help somebody out there who is just wondering, with all these programming languages here and there, where do I start from? I also want to say that in my current job I work with Python. Python is all cool, lovely, easy to learn, but on getting started, they expect you to have some kind of projects to your name. So to be able to build projects that you can show and also be able to quickly replicate in interviews, JavaScript is really your go-to programming language. So guys, tell me what you think about this video in the comment section. If you have any question, please pop them down in the comment section. It's always a pleasure to speak to you guys, or to have a chat with you guys. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye.